Find out potential at point P. If x is very much greater than a, it means P point is far away from the charges. Now potential at P point, that is due to minus q, 2q and minus q. Potential at point P due to minus q is k minus q upon distance root x square plus s square. Same as potential at this minus q at point P point, that is k minus q upon distance root x square plus s square. Potential due to 2q at point P, that is k 2q upon distance x. So it is 2kq upon x minus 2kq upon x square plus s square raised to 1 by 2. So 2kq upon x minus 2kq. Here x square is common and square root of x square is x. So remaining is 1 plus s square upon x square raised to 1 by 2. 2kq upon x is common. So remaining is 1 minus 1 plus s square upon x square raised to minus 1 by 2. A is very much less than x. So s square is very much less than x square. So use the binomial theorem here. So 2kq upon x 1 minus, by using binomial theorem, 1 minus, here power is minus 1 by 2 into s square upon x square. 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So 2kq upon x remaining is 1 by 2 s square upon x square. Here minus minus is plus. 2 is cancelled. So answer is k q s square upon x cube, where k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So potential at point P due to three charges minus q, 2q and minus q is k q s square upon x cube. Thank you.